How to fix Instagram? Sorry, we couldn't complete your request. Problem easily and fast. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the settings on your phone, and then all what you have to do is scroll down and go to the apps manager, and after that go to apps here in the top and wait a few seconds on this page. Now all what you have to do here is scroll down until you find the Instagram option here, click on it and then click on the storage, and you will find this clear data option. Just click on it and then go back and click on force stop, and then go to the permissions and make sure to enable those permissions right here. And then all what you have to do now is restart your phone and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.